this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Echo Point Nova on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is to open our Google browser. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game at Steam first before we can proceed to the next website to download it. So go to Steam, and once you are there, we are using the search bar to find the game Echo Point Nova. Search for it, select it, and once you are there, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game starts at €24.50. But we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and once you have done that, you will be redirected to this site. Now search again for the game Echo Point Nova, and you will find a lot of results. The next step is to select games on the left side, and then you should sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, this game is already available at €13. You need to check if the text over here is marked green. Then this game can be activated in your country. So once you have selected the game, then you are at this page and you are able to buy this game for just €13.37. Once you have bought it, you will receive a confirmation mail with all the steps and a activation key to activate this game through Steam and download it to your PC. Once you have done that, you are able to play this game much cheaper than the price on the Steam store. Hopefully these tips are helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!